Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. Today we are checking out the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 NFC version. To be honest, after so many generations, there's not a whole lot of new surprises, but this one does bring two key upgrades. First, it finally has equal bezels on all four sides, which looks way more refined. And second, it gets crazy bright, up to 1500 nits. But the most fun part, it comes with a little adorable, cute table speaker accessory. Ooh. Seriously, it's so cute. Our main focus on that in this video. And of course, we'll go over the differences between the NFC and the standard versions, because there are a few. Let's dive in. Unboxing. Desk setup version, Band 10 NFC version, and this little robot. First, we got this Mi Band 10, a detailed Chinese manual, a charging cable. And now let's just get to this little cute robot. Alright, a quick guide in Chinese, no worries, I will just show you a little bit later. And then a detailed one, we have a C2C cable. And this, ooh, there you go, cute, isn't it? Ooh, you can take the head off and put the Mi Band inside here. Can you see? There is like a charging cable here, right? Lets you just connect directly with your band. Alright, now let's just activate this Mi Band first. Connect to a power bank or something. Yeah, this is the power bank from Xiaomi. Beautiful, isn't it? Super beautiful. I'll put the link in the description. You can check it out. We set the language first. English. Magnetic, just like that, and put it right here. Okay. Alright, a little bit more about this robot. We have the power key here, this mic here, and also this voice assistant, key. And the bottom we have this mesh, the kind of speaker mesh. Yes, this is a little speaker, and this rubber stands here. It's like an astronaut, right? And now let's just connect this Mi Band 10 to the robot. Just first you have to make sure to turn on the speaker. You go to settings, you find the system, and then table speaker mode. Turn on speaker mode, you pair with the current device and you won't be able to use the functions. Okay, now let's just turn on. You have to simultaneously double tap the power key and also the voice assistant key. Okay. It already shows you. Okay, you don't even have to do that. Connect. Okay, you have to single press this power key. Okay, connected successfully. You can set alarms now, maybe 12. You can even choose the sound, like cute alarm, weather, ocean. Okay, ocean is great. Oh, it's already on. And now let's connect to the media app. Notice that it's Mi Home, it's not the Mi Fitness. This is a weight. You see the expression. Right now it's angry. Alright, just like that. You connected successfully. Set a room, create a new room. Okay, whatever. Set an alarm, which I just showed you before, so I'm not gonna set here. Ooh, and that's basically how you connect to your Mi Home app, right? And now let's just play some songs. You have to go to the Bluetooth list to find the table speaker and press to pair the Bluetooth. Okay, pair. You will hear the yeah. And that's the music. You cannot turn up or down the music by press the keys on this table speaker. You can only adjust it on the using your phone's volume rocker. Okay, that's the maximum. Very strange. I saw some videos like they can show lyrics like here, but okay, I just don't know why on my device you cannot show the lyrics. Also, I found a bug here because whenever you just short long press this voice assistant key, you could activate the voice assistant, right? Right, but nothing happens with my device. You also press the voice assistant key to pause or play the music. And you can press like 2 times to switch to the next song, or 3 times to go back to the previous song, right? And that is, you can also use this key to pick up or hang up the phone call, which I'm not going to show you. And that's a sound play. Actually, you can also use as a, first is this expression. I press this power button to switch between calendar, time display. All right, and that's the 3 default displays. You can also touch the screen to tease it a little bit. Right now it's shy, okay, star, okay, and press it again to, just have such fun little interaction with it, right? And you swipe left or right to switch between this expiration calendar and time display, and that's it. No? He's angry now. No, why don't we talk about the Mi Band itself, right? So obviously the biggest upgrade is the bezel. You can finally now say something with the shallow color display, and it looks way more comfortable, right? And I just compared with the Mi 9, you can see it has a way wider chin, which looks a little bit uncomfortable. Yes, in the app you can also choose different displays. Like, let me just choose one with some cute animals or something. It's free, right? So that is the display here. It offers numerous display, and some are paid. And yeah, let's talk about the difference between the Band 10 NFC and non-NFC versions. The left is the standard version, the right is the NFC version. As you can see, the NFC version comes with this mic. That means for the NFC version, you can directly talk to Mi AI. Okay, do you know English? Okay, this is translate. Of course, this is the Chinese version, so we're not speaking English. You will just translate to Chinese instead of talking back and forth. Because if I speak Chinese, 今天天气怎么样? And then you will just show whatever the answer is, right? 你好吗? Right? It will just reply, but when you speak English, just translate the English to Chinese. Let me just show you another function that only exists on this NFC version, which is the recorder. Here you can just press to record everything, and then you can sync it to your phone, and you can view it on your phone. I know the sound is not that great, but at least you can use this phone to use this band. I use this band to record secretly, just in some emergencies, right? Without you pointing out to your phone or something, and then you can sync to your phone, and that's a good feature for in some scenarios. What do you say? Also, I found one thing that really interesting is you can even customize the vibration. Okay, like for incoming calls, for each function, for each feature, you can customize. Like alarm, you can either use the default one or add one, like call strong. I already feel the vibration. Strong, medium, weak, and now we stop and play. Right? And that is some of the new features, fun features I like to play with this smart band. And just in case you want to know other gesture controls, let me just walk you through really quickly. So swipe down, we have notifications. Swipe up, we see different apps like stats, workout. They support up to 150, more than 150 workout modes, like whatever you want to choose. Like training includes like 40 sports, dance 14 sports. Wow, 150 plus. And activity, running course, serious heart rate, vitalities, SpO2, those kind of things are the same as the previous generation, right? Record, actually I just showed you settings here. You can adjust whatever you want, like the display brightness, auto. One of the biggest upgrades is the brightness. Okay, the the max brightness they increased to 1500 nits, which is 300 nits more than the last generation. Okay, let's just choose auto lock. You can choose up to 5 minutes, I guess. 5 minutes, yeah. And always on display, cover to sleep, and this kind of things, vibration, and pain. You can even add a pain, and that's let's go to more and see different calls, events, breathing, stopwatch music, word clock, etc. Focus and compass, and to calibrate reload to your brain like this. Okay, I'm not gonna show that. Anyway, and swipe left or right, you get to see different widgets like this shortcuts, also your sleep, weather, heart rate, and the sports sync, etc. And that's basically the same as the other generation. And that's the video. I really love this cute little table speaker. It even works with Mi Band 8 and 9. You can just place it on your desk and use it as your digital pad, which is honestly pretty fun. The only downside, right now it only supports Chinese, so it might be a deal breaker for some, but you've watched my video so you know how to use it, right? As for the Band 10 itself, whether you go for the standard or NFC version, if you already own the past 2 or 3 models, there is probably no urgent need to upgrade. But if you don't have one yet and you're looking for something stylish, budget-friendly, and great for health tracking, this is a solid pick. You won't regret it, and if you're interested, please check the link in the description and grab one now. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.